Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. Thank you, my honorable teacher. Thank you, judges. Thank you, all of my friends. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my hometown. This is Rushad in front of you. My hometown name is Potuakhali. Now I would like to describe my hometown. My hometown coverage area was about 3,221 square kilometers. The district is divided into 8 upazila. For example, Potuakhali Shodor, Dumki, Baufal, Kalapara, Golachipa, etc. The district's population has as well about 1.8 million people with my districts. Potuakhali is a tourist area. Maximum place, for example, Kuakata Sea Beach, Pairaport, Rangawali, Rakhain Market, etc. Maximum people are very friendly. The district's people are so much popular hospitality. I feel like hometown. I love my hometown from bottom in my heart. Please forgive me if I have any mistake. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz again. Assalamu alaikum.